Guys, ito na yung part 2 for the packing assessment. So, alisin lang natin lahat. Okay. Ito na guys yung mga stickers. So, first, we will need is the nails. So cute. Actually, this llama cards. And then that thing. And then the llama card. Actually, mali pala ako lang organize. Yan. And then the llama card. So, tara na. Kuha na tayo ng mga freebies. Let's go. So, here's like the freebies. We'll give one for the nails too. So, one bracelet and for the nails. And then, so yeah. Tapos, ito yung pang nails, guys. Lalagay na natin. Kita nyo ba? Okay na. And then, lalagay lang natin dito yan. Tapos, lalagay din natin yung bracelet dito. Let's get markers. So, wait lang guys, ha? Markers. Let's get maybe markers. Let's get markers na guys. So, it's in this box. So, don't mind. But, nandito na box. So, mga pink lang yung ibibigay natin sa kanya. Do you have any pink? So, malalim kasi yung mga ibang pink. So, tatlo lang yung maiibigay natin today. So, I'm back, guys. Sorry, nalagat ako. Open this and then put this baby. Since na yung cousin ko nag-follow and then nag-share siya. Follow and share, I think. Nag-follow and share siya, guys. Yung cousin ko. So, maglalagay pa tayo ng one more nails. Diba? So, we'll get the nails somewhere. Okay. Wait lang, guys. Ay, never mind. Kukuha lang tayo maybe ng gray nails. Like, it's with, like, kasi kulang-kulang na yung sa pink. So, sorry, guys. So, let's go to my table na. This is not kulang-kulang. And then, may free pa-ticket na siya, guys. So, and then, maglalagay din pala tayo ng isang one more freebie. Ay, wait lang, guys. Kalat. Okay. Itong squishy. Ang cute. So, let's put it now. And listen lang natin muna yung mga nandito sa above. Ay, nasa mga baba. So, lalagay lang natin dyan. Hala! Hindi na magkasya. Hala. Yes! Wow! Okay, yan. Magkasya siya. Lagay dito yung mini card. And then, itong nails. Pang nails. Nails. And then, ito guys. So, yan. Yan na. Ay! Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!